Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today I'm going to show you about the network problem. Sometimes when you connect two or more than two PC on one net, at that time your computer sharing is not working. I'll show the full process how we can show that type of network sharing problem on the computer. It should become here on network, but it will not show anything. Please watch this video till to the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start now. This is my PC. I will show the name of this PC. Go this PC and go to the property. You can see here HP, the name of PC HP, device name HP, and this device is already I shared. How to share this device, I will show this process also on Windows 11. Go to the network or right click on network, go to the properties and then go to the change advanced sharing setting and then network and internet. After that go to the advanced setting. After that you can see here advanced sharing setting. You have to go advanced sharing setting, just click it here, and network discovery there is on, and set up network connection device automatically. You have to check sign here. I already checked it here. And file and printer sharing, this one is already here. Now public network, just click it here. Network discovery on, file and printer sharing on, and then all network, public folder sharing on, and then file sharing connection. You should select here. Sometimes some network will be share 40 or 56 bit and some network will be share 128 bit. Just I click on 128 bit. And then password protect sharing, just you have to click off, and then the password you require will not be asked you on network. Password protect sharing off, and then this one finished. Just click it closed. Just double click on network. Now there is nothing see here. Okay, and then I will do another thing also. Just I'll go to the run menu and then type control control, and then program and features. Just double click on it and go to the turn Windows features on or off. Just click it here. Okay, you have to go here, just SMB 1.0 client, just click it here. These all are deselected. Just select it, this one all, and then go to the OK. Wait for a while. Your computer will be search for required file for sharing the file and other things. It will say here Windows completed the requested change. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the required changes. You have to restart your computer. If you don't want to restart your computer, then click on don't restart. Now I will go to restart this computer. Just click on restart now. Now restart. Computer is restarting now. After restarting the computer, just again click on network. Still, I think still there is nothing again showing here anything. After this, just minimize this one and click Windows button and then search here SERVICE service. Click on run as administrator. Then after, just search here plug and play, PLUG, plug and play. Double click on it. It's written here manually. Just click on here automatically. Click on apply. Click on OK. And then SSD SSDP discovery. Just double click on it here, and then same here, automatic, apply, and then OK. UPnP device host. Double click on here and automatic, apply, and then OK. After that, just close this one and then again go there and check it. Now you can see here 1 HP device is shown in here. It means sometimes when you try to show the network computer to other computer, then it will not show. But I'll try this one, like by running HP, then it will open it from here automatically. This is the process. And another last one things, if it will not show again, then just click on right click on network and then go to the property and then change adapter setting, and then which adapter are you connecting from the internet or your network. Just right click on it here and then go property and then network, and then just remove the check sign from this one, internet protocol version 6 TCP/IP. Click on it and then OK and then close. After this all idea, maybe your problem will be solved. Thank you very much for watching video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.